All right, so here's my current thing that I'm going to do. I was going to build an AI agent and a voice agent and conversation bot on a roofer demo website I'm working on. So I'm still going to do that, but I also want this on my website. So we're gonna work through that together. So right now, if you go to my site, let's just go to one of these pages here. There's this little chat. Oh wait, let me move my. There we go. Little chat icon deal down below, and if you enter your name, phone number, email, and then your message, and you hit send. Let me see. I'm just gonna say happy Monday, whatever, and then I send that. Then it basically says, okay, it says thank you. We will contact you shortly. So that's that's a chat widget that basically can send you an email or a text in reply, and it kind of keeps the visitor engaged basically versus just having, say, something like a contact form where you fill in all your information and you hit send. um, Essentially it's kind of doing the same thing in high level. It's basically gathering that information and then kicking off a sequence of in an automation. um, but going to this contact us form is kind of old school or table stakes, I guess you'd say. And I'd say above, the next level up from that is a little chat widget like this, where you can just type this stuff in. But still, that's kind of limited, right? Uh, it's kind of the same thing. So what I want to do is turn this chat widget down here into a conversation AI agent that is trained on my okcomputer.foo website. So let me back out. So I'm in my sub account for my business. I go to AI agents, conversation AI. I'm going to create a bot. There's two different types of bots. You can have one that's a appointment booking bot. And my understanding is when you set this up, you associate a particular calendar to it so that the bot can have instructions to basically try to schedule people. Or you can just do like a general Q&A, or you can do both. I watched a video from HighLevel last night where they were showing how to do like a handoff from general to appointment booking so that you can have the first kind of interactions with the bot and the prospect, they getting all their questions answered. But then, but then once that process is done, the general Q&A bot hands it over to the appointment booker who handles the booking. So I guess having these specialized agents is better for the process. So we're going to do general Q&A. So simplify customer interactions by answering common questions instantly. This bot is perfect for handling FAQs, providing quick resolutions, and improving customer satisfaction. So that's perfect. This is going to elevate my main site chatbot. All right, brand voice. So brand name of the brand. So I'm going to do, okay, computer, my site. I'm going to get rid of the W's. Okay. Company email, address, phone number. Now, is this the phone number for like my phone number, or does it want the phone number that I bought for my website? That I'm not entirely sure. So I think what I'm gonna do is maybe I'll do the number I bought for my website. Okay, and then business hours. Monday through Friday. So one thing that I do as a kind of side note here is so business hours. It says Monday to Friday. That's just kind of their sample text, right? But if I go in here and I want to kind of just copy and paste that, I cannot because it doesn't allow me to select it, right? But then as soon as I start typing, it goes away. So what I do for times like this is I use an app called Clean Shot, which is up here in my menu bar. And it has this function called Capture Text OCR. It's so handy. I use it all the time. And you basically just highlight the box, and now that's in your buffer, and you can paste it, and it gets it, it gets it right most of the time. Sometimes you have to do a little bit of cleanup. Monday through Friday, definitely not 8 a.m. I'll do 9, and I like to do till like 3 o'clock. Saturday, Sunday closed. That works. Tone of voice, you get to choose your tone of voice. I think I'll just do professional. And let's see what additional information we could add. Okay, so we can get, target audience. Let me see. Small business owners in Colorado specializing in home exterior contracting. That's because I'm honing in on home exterior. So like roofing, gutter cleaning, window cleaning, siding, window washing, power washing, anything that has to kind of do with a contractor working on the exterior of your home. And in particular, right now I'm focused on a roofing demo website that I'm building out. You can see that in other live build videos. Customer pain points. So let me just fill. So these two are required, the rest are not. So let me at least just fill these in. What problems do they? So I would say missed calls, not retaining leads, no true engagement on site, on their website. Leads leave the site because they have a pressing need and aren't getting an immediate response. Brand. Oh no, wait. I'm sorry. Wait. Well, yeah. I think I want to make sure that I'm focusing on my site, not the roofing site. But I think this is what I want. I may put one more thing. Their current website, if they even have one, is more like a brochure than a lead generating machine. Okay, let's do this call to action. What's the action you want users to take? Book an appointment with me to discuss smart websites. Sign up to one of my 3 plans. That's mainly it. Anyway, I'll fill all this stuff out later. Let's go to the next screen. Let me just punch this in. Okay. All right, so I've got my brand voice. It's named after my business. Let's go to the next screen, which is the bot settings. We're going to give it a name. Let's just call it, I don't know, glitch. Make this as primary bot. Okay, only the primary bot will reply to inbound messages. Okay. I'm not doing Facebook or Instagram. I'm not going to do any of these. I'm just going to do, I don't want to even do the SMS email thing. just going to make it live chat. Wait time 2 seconds. I don't know. That seems fine. Bot initial message. I don't know. How can I help you? All right, let's go next. Now, bot goals. Define the purpose and information gathering strategy for your bot. Okay. Details. Okay, so what do we want? We want name, email, phone for sure. I don't care about street address or city. That's fine. Okay, custom question. Add custom questions to guide conversations and collect essential customer information automatically. So, yeah, so ask the user for their name. Update contact field, optional. So this is already mapped to name, email, phone, it looks like. I can add questions. I could say, maybe like ask the user if they have a website already. And let's see, I have special instructions for website. That's some kind of a custom field that I added from some other snapshot. Oh, website, there's website, but that would be their website address. Your message. So update contact field. So I would need a contact field for if they have a website already. What I'm going to do for now is I don't want to make another new field just yet. So I'm just going to do, this under, actually I'll do it under website because let me tweak this. Ask the user, not if they have a website, ask the user for their website URL. There we go. Okay, then we could add question objective. So that's just adding more. Okay, I don't want any more just yet. Email. So this is where, appointment booking, allow bot to book an appointment. So that's interesting. When we were first starting down this path, there were the two types, the Q&A bot and the appointment setting bot. And it looks like if you did not choose appointment setting bot initially, that you could change your mind here and just flip this switch and now it's an appointment setting bot, I guess. A little weird. But email notification, receive email notifications if the bot doesn't know the answer. Sure, that's probably a good idea. Please select at least one option. Contact all users. I'm going to do all users right now because I'm not convinced that I'm assigned. I'm not convinced that I'm assigned as the owner of new contacts. That's not a default thing. I think I have to flip some switch somewhere or set up an automation or something that says whenever there's a new contact created, I'm the only one who has access to my HighLevel account. I don't have a team. So it should just assign me as the owner of all contacts, but I don't think it does right now. It's like undefined at first. So right now I'm going to choose all users, but I might come back and change this to contacts assigned user once I resolve that. But I think we're good here. So I'm going to click save. Okay, bot created successfully. We've set, so it's off initially. You can change this status or explore advanced settings. So it's off. Now there's suggestive, suggest prompts within chat window. And then there's autopilot. Bot replies automatically based on trained data. So that's the one I want right there. I'm not sure how suggestive works actually. I want to read up on that, but I know I want autopilot. Let's do test your bot. Now, one thing I'm not seeing here, I guess I have to go to the knowledge base or something, is there should have been a way for me to point my knowledge base to this. So yeah, let's see that. Like, how much are your plans? So it shouldn't know this because it doesn't know my website address, right? Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't have enough information. I've notified the team, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's actually working as I would expect. So let's do this. Let's go. What's the advanced settings? I think this is where I get to set all that stuff. All right. Glitch. It's on autopilot, live chat, fine tune it. So 2 seconds before responding. I don't know. That's fine. Maximum messages is 25. I think that's the max you. Oh, I saw in a video somewhere they said 25 was the max. Maybe they've upped that. Send bot to sleep. Current plan, 0.02 cents per response. Okay, and they have the free summer of AI going on right now, which I'm going to probably take advantage of because I think it only goes for another month or two. I don't know. All right, let's just go through these settings. Let me save that. Bot training. Here we go. So select knowledge base. Okay, create a new knowledge base. Give your base a name. I don't know. I'll just call it my company. Okay, computer Keybase. Create. Okay. Add a source. So we'll click on web crawler. Exact URL would be that. We're going to extract the data from my website. That's actually the only source I have right now. So I think that's all we'll do. Now we do have a fact. How does this fact section work? Facts. Add a source. Is that how you do a fact? Oh, yeah. Okay. So FAQ. All right. So for this, I'm going to go, I think, to my homepage. Yep. Got some facts here. So let's just copy and paste it over. Now, I don't know, honestly. I mean, this is already baked into my website, so it should just already be part of the knowledge base, but the fact that they allow you to separate out FAQs as its own source makes me think there might be some value in taking the time to do this step, even if it's redundant. I don't know. Probably for good measure. So save that. All right, so I'm going to just add an FAQ for each one of these. That little thing that pops up there with the copy, that's from an app called Pop Clip, which whenever you do something with your mouse, like I'm doing right now, where I'm highlighting this text, as soon as I let go, Pop Clip jumps into action, and I only have it configured for four things: cut, copy, and paste. So that way I don't have to use a keyboard command to do that. But I also have a little search icon, so that's like searching the web. So if I wanted to search the web for that, I could just hit the magnifying glass. It opens up a new Google, web page and types that in for me already and just pulls up the results. So that's pretty handy. I use that quite a bit. For now, let me just, so I guess I didn't finish that other one. So let me do this. So let's do this. Can I really? Yep. the kit, it asks, can I really manage my website from my mobile phone? And it says, yes, our mobile app integration allows you to update content, track website analytics, respond to leads in real time. This means you can manage your business on the go without needing a computer. So yeah, the lead connector app that HighLevel provides is fantastic. It's almost like you don't really need to log in on the desktop for the most part. I mean, there's some things you have to log into the desktop to do, but like day to day, the mobile app's really all you need. I love it. I think it's such a powerful component to uh, customers who are on HighLevel, the platform. Okay, so save. Got 2 more to go, and then we'll try it out. Also, I'm in no hurry for these live builds, so hopefully the pacing works for anybody who's bothering to watch. And thank you for watching if you are. I hope you find it interesting. Let me know if you have any questions or advice or suggestions around HighLevel. It's got my complete focus right now. I'm learning. I've been using it nonstop for weeks now, where I'm diving into every nook and cranny I can. I love it. Okay, let's do one more. Okay. All right, so that is that. So we've got, and tables is coming soon. We got our FAQs. The web crawler is crawling, is already trained on the website. What's this little thing? Is that data? Oh, data scraped. That's funny, scrapped. I see this all the time on like YouTube videos or people's posts and things. It says scrapped, and it's not scrapped, it's scraped. There should be one P. So I don't, I I don't know. I've seen some things like that around HighLevel's interface where I'm just like questionable wording or spelling. So I don't know. This looks like it has all the basics, but actually I don't know. It's like, where's the pricing? And that'll be interesting to see. Did it pick up the pricing page or not? Which I don't really care if it did, because let's see, refresh, because I'd rather have that conversation, I guess, or with the prospect on the phone, or maybe them just going straight to the page on my site versus asking about it in the FAQs. Okay, I think we're good. So let's go out of here. We've got OK Computer knowledge base. Let's go back to the sites. Oh, I want to go to the funnel. I mean the website. Got it here. So let's see. I don't know if there's anything I even, or I probably have to. Oh yeah, that's right. I have to go to settings, and well, it says OK Computer chat widget. Huh. Oh wait, so that's this one here. So I think that's the fact that I don't see it. I think maybe I have to still activate it or something. None, because that's the old one. OK Computer chat widget. Let's see. Content, knowledge base, conversation, autopilot, edit, open. Autopilot, live chat. Oh, do I need to get a bot trial? Is that what's going on? No. Okay, what am I missing here? Oh, go to bot trial so I can trial it. Okay. test your bot. What do you sell? Okay. Okay. Computer specializes in helping small business owners in Colorado. Exterior contracting. Blah blah blah. So that looks like all the stuff from my brand voice. I don't know. What are your hours? So you can, you basically create this bot, you give it knowledge base and FAQs and all this stuff, give it a name and a personality and all that stuff. And then you come in here to test it, and you can rate the things. So I'm going to give it like a thumbs up for that. Our business hours, and already, I had entered those earlier. So I'm going to click, that looks good. And it also says here, could you please share your name with me? So that's coming back to the custom questions, the objectives, the bot goals. Basically, one of them is, hey, get the person's name. So I could type that in here. Let me just say, what is it now? Is it going to just say, hey, can I get your email? I'll bet you that'll be the next thing. Yep. Can you please provide your email? Okay. All right. So all this is looking good. The test bot's working well, but what I think I'm missing, what am I not piecing together here is it's not off, it's on. It's called glitch. I mean, the only thing I'm wondering is like, do I need to like activate this? I don't think so. So let me just go back to my website. This is the one I'm working on. I'll go to my settings. See, like, why don't I see glitch listed here? That's the name of the bot. So I'm obviously missing something, and I'm wondering if it's the fact that I need to enable it. And yeah, wow, $97 a month. The unlimited plan. Free until August 20th. And then it's on the unlimited plan, which I think that's what I'm on. So $97 a month. Wow. Charge this sub account, right? So when somebody is on the sub account, like a client, you can enable AI employee just for that sub account, and then they can pay their own fee. I didn't know it was $97 a month. I've seen different numbers, and so that one's a little bit of a surprise to me. So I'm going to cancel that right now. What is this? I don't want this to be a bust because I want to see this agent. It's not a voice, it's conversation, primary. Duplicate, edit, create. Maybe I don't know, because I'm just a little confused here because this is my my site settings, and if I go to the chat widget, why is it just this one that's available? Okay, computer chat widget. So is it, Well, because it's so this is a chat widget here. And if I go to the website and I look at settings, and then it says chat widget. So that would just be the basic chat widget. So what I need to do is say I don't want just this chat widget here. I want I want the other one that I created. But now, so why is this this is like another area for chat widgets? I can do live. Let's see. Oh. Live. Hmm. Huh. Okay. So I guess I have a fundamental misunderstanding of under the sites section, there are these chat widgets. Configure a chat widget to convert your website visitors to leads. Great. But then there are AI agents. I've created a conversation AI. Live chat. Chat widget? I wonder if that's the missing piece there. Let me save and let's see if that makes a difference here. Hmm. Oh, I see. Okay, so pricing. Yeah, here we go. So this is the price per response. But then they're also saying, "Oh, hey, opt in for free summer of AI," and that's got all this other stuff: voice, conversation, reviews, funnel, workflow, ask AI. Okay. Yeah. Still, I don't know. This is not making sense to me because I don't see it here. I don't think it's like a caching issue. Could be. Wonder if it is. Let me check. Let's see if I go here. No, because this is still doing the SMS email thing. But now let's go back one more time. Look at the chat widget. What if I edit this one and let's see, can I, is it not possible to change this? It's SMS email chat. Like you don't get to change that after a fact. Hmm. I'm surprised you can't change that after the fact. Well, chat widget 2, I'm gonna rename this one to live chat. And then I'm going to go back to the website settings. And I'm going to change this to live chat and hit save and see if that makes a difference. Hey, there we go. So that, okay, let's test it. What are your hours? And then I don't know if you can see this, but it's hard for me to do that with my watch. But I just got a message the second I typed that into the chat window. I got a message from the Lead Connector app. It showed up on my laptop over here and on my watch and probably on my phone too. And it says new live chat message from guest visitor. What are your hours? So that's awesome because like as a business owner, to know that somebody just typed something into your chat widget and asked what are your hours, and knowing that, as you can see here, the bot has said our business hours are Monday through Friday, blah blah blah, exactly what we asked it to. And I could say, do you do you help small business owners get more leads? Let's see what it says. And my watch is pinging me again. So again, as a business owner, like I know exactly what's happening in real time with a visitor to my website. Let's see. Okay. Oops. There we go. Yes, we specialize in helping small business owners, particularly those in home exterior contracting, to generate more leads. Our services are designed to ensure you don't miss calls, retain leads, and engage effectively on your website. Please tell me your name. So it's going to be diligent about trying to get my name, email, that kind of information. So yeah, this is awesome. I've now have, after a little bit of a struggle there, I'm going to have to wrap my head around, what's going on there. Or I guess that was it. Under chat widget, I set up a live chat widget. And then under AI agents, I set up a conversation AI bot. And I think that's where this part comes in. Supported communication channel providers, live chat and chat widget. Those are the channels where this bot can be active on. Okay, so that makes sense. I don't know. It's just, it's one of those things where for me, having these kind of two different entities that are really serving the same purpose. It's just one's smarter about it and interactive and the other's not. But the fact that you have to kind of go to this conversation AI section in settings to deal with that or get to it under this AI agents section in the sidebar. Whereas the other one, if you go, you have to go into sites and then over to chat widget, and then you have this chat widget here. So I guess widget is the key word. A widget is something you put on the site, and you can control the look and the avatar icon and a few kind of basic things. But the AI agent is kind of the brains behind the operation, and you can wire it up to a specific web chat widget. I guess that's how I'm going to think about it going forward. So there you go. I have successfully installed. Well, let's see if it was a buffer issue. Yeah. Or no, it was just whatever I had done to solve this, but now it's working in this browser too. But I now have an AI powered chat bot on my site that is fed from a knowledge base of the site itself and a few FAQs I entered into there. I'm probably going to create a Google Doc and really kind of start adding a little bit more content to it, and then point the knowledge base to the Google Doc as well, just to kind of round things out and not rely solely on the website. And there you go. So see you in the next one.